Hi viewers, are you really fed up with that official and old status bar in your Android mobile phone? Then now it's your time to change out these things, and now you can customize that things by your own. So how you can do this and change this status bar of your Android mobile phone, in this video I'm gonna show you guys. Without further ado, let's get started this video with you guys. Before just starting that video, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with you guys. Okay guys, to do this, first of all we need to install an app in our Android mobile phone, and the app is called the Status, and you will get the app in the Google Play Store, and I'll also give you the link in the description below. And after just installing this app in your Android, then you need to open up that here. This is the Status app is there. Now after just opening up that, here you will get four options: the settings, icons, apps, and the help. So we have works on the settings and the help icons there. So first of all we need to enable that things from here. So I just open up that, click here, and here I just come back on that page. Now click on the continue to get continue there, and now click on the grant access in the second step, and I just permit the draw over that there. Now click on the continue, and from here we need to click on the grant access there, and then we need to on this status service, and now click on the allow, and after that click on the continue and click on the grant access again in the fourth stage. And from here just find the status service, and this status service will be off, you need to make it on there. Now click on the OK and it get on there. Now go to the back and click on the finish to get the finish it off. Now on this status is there, and from here you will get also a default status bar color, and from here you can choose your own color as it is like that. Now click on the OK, and from here you can also change the default icon color too, that means the text color. From here I just click here to save it there. Now here it is, it looks like that. Now go to the default status bar color, that means the background color. From here you can change it like here as you wish. Now okay, click here, and here it is guys, it looks like that here. So from here you can do this from here, and from here you need to off that transparency on the home screen there, and off that resource based color also off from there. Now go to in the icons, and here you'll get all the icons, and here I just checked in all those things which are available is there on that things. If you just off that notification, that time your notification bar will be off. Now if you just check off that clock, that time your clock will be off is there. Now here in the battery icon, if you off it there, that time your battery icon will be off there. So from here I just show you one thing, and you can able to do other things there. So in the clock icon here, the text font what it will be, and here have a lot of text fonts are there, and from here you can choose your own fonts from here, and it will be look like that from here. Now in the text style, how much it will look like be, it may be bold italic or bold italic there. So from here I just select the bold italic, and it will be look like that. Now in the text color what it will be is there, so you need to search it there or find out it there as you wish. So from here I just okay it, make it okay, and here it is looks like that. So I just make it okay purple, and now here it is guys, it looks like that here. In the time format you can also choose a time format. In the H means the hours, mm means the minutes, and A means the AM or the PM is there. In that format it will be work, and here all the things are there. And from here you can also choose your text size also as you wish, so it will be big or smaller there. The alignment where it will be in the center or left or the right, it may be right, so it will be take in the right is there. Now it's okay. Now we will go in the battery icon is there. That is the battery icon. The display text, if you want to add a display text, that time it will be also on. The display text is on, alignment, whatever it will be. From here, the like on the horizontal padding is there. It may be dp, that means the 10. I just make it the 10. That means it will be take some distance from here. The icon scale and the text format is there. From here I just click on the icon style to add your icon styles are there. How much it looks like there have a lot of icons are there. So I just select that icon from here, so I just click here and it looks like that is here. So by that, here you can choose the other things from here too. So I just go to now in the Wi-Fi icon, and from here I can select the icon is there. So as it is, now click on the OK, and here it is guys. These things are by that you can choose up there, and they have others icons too. Networking icon, carrier name, now allow it. So if you want to use that, the time you need to allow those things. The GPS icon, airplane mode, those are you need to. And I refer you guys open up this everything one by one and just test it there, and by that you can use that icon app and make your mobile phone give another look to it, and it will look awesome for you guys. So I think it may change the mind of your by using that the monotonous status bar and turn it your own customized status bar is there. And there have another thing is that guys, here you can make the top and the down is there. If you click on the top, and it will be turned in the top, and here it will be in the bottom. If you want to take it in the top, that time it will be changing, those sides are there like that. So here is guys, by that way you can change up those and this there and one by one. So by that things you can also do this there with your phone there guys. So what's about that things guys? Do you like the tricks and want to use the tricks, and you feel after just using the tricks good? The time I request you please comment below on this video as a good or awesome, and comment your feelings about that. Please like this video guys, and subscribe my channel for latest update in the future. So that's it from me guys. Hopefully you will in our next video, and we will meet in our next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.